What lies deep beneath the surface of our planet? Below the continents and oceans, there is the heart of the Earth. Far below us lies a gigantic sphere of extreme heat and pressure, the core of our planet. The Earth's core is mostly made of iron and nickel, metals compressed under unimaginable force. Temperatures there reach levels almost as hot as the surface of the Sun, around 5,000 to 6,000 degrees Celsius. The pressure inside the core is so enormous that metal behaves almost like a liquid. This ocean of molten metal is constantly moving. Slow currents circulate through the core, and that movement creates something invisible, but critical: Earth's magnetic field. This magnetic field acts like a protective shield, deflecting dangerous radiation from space. Without it, life on Earth would be very different. Our planet would be exposed to cosmic radiation. But now imagine something impossible. What if the Earth's core suddenly became unstable? What if pressure deep inside the planet began to rise? Faster and faster. Energy trapped in the center of the Earth would start pushing outward. At first, nothing unusual would seem to happen. The surface would appear completely calm. But deep below inside the mantle, a massive force would already be building. Enormous stress would spread through layers of rock, pressure seeking a way out. Then suddenly a powerful shock wave would erupt from the core. That wave would travel through the mantle at thousands of kilometers per hour, through rock, through magma, through the entire interior of the planet, racing upward. Seconds later, the shock wave would reach the crust, the surface of the Earth. And then the ground would begin to shake. The strongest earthquakes in the history of our planet, stronger than anything humanity has ever recorded. Cities around the world would feel the first tremors. Buildings would begin to sway like trees in a storm. Bridges would twist, roads would crack, glass would shatter. People would run out into the streets, trying to understand what is happening. But the ground beneath their feet would already be breaking apart. Massive cracks would rip through cities and landscapes. From deep below, glowing magma would begin to rise. And this would only be the beginning. Because the real question is, what happens when the Earth itself starts to tear apart?